stand right there?
There it is.
Yeah, It's right on the other side of the post, the tips of those posts. There was when he just
Oh, I
went.
see.
There's another one right in front of him.
You see him, Mom?
He came up and went down there.
Right out.
Now they're getting closer to the end, but they're still back this way, Ryan, to the top of all those posts. They're not. I don't see them right now.
You ready to go see if we can find the gun spot?
The who spot?
Gun spot.
What's
I
that?
saw one last night.
Is that where you buy?
Games.
What's it?
Of critter room.
No. Well, that was fun.
It'll probably come up back up on the other side. There are a lot of little fish because when I walked out there, a lot of fish swimming.
Put on my cool, I can go hang my feet in that water. It might help my legs. I'm cramping. You meant they say something you can throw food from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can understand that.
Because what happens if seagulls come up and poop on the...
Well, too, I would end up hitting somebody or get land in the pool. They're pretty white seagulls.